What if? What if I'm the one for you and you're the one for me? What if you are the one, then this meeting here is fate. Future with a dog named Red by your house with the fireplace. This is the first I've seen your face, but there's a chance we are soulmates. I know this might sound crazy, 'cause you don't know my name, but we can't tell the future, no. But that's just the beauty of the world we know. So I'ma say, baby, what if we all can say, baby, what if, what if, what if, what if? Picture me on one knee with the perfect diamond ring. We just met, but if you said yes, we'd have our wedding on the beach. It could happen, raise 3 kids, and we grow old oh so happily. I know this might sound crazy, 'cause you don't know my